What's good, YouTube? So right now I'm getting the windshield tinted on the C63. Let me show you guys what it looks like right now. So this is what the C63 looks like right now. As you guys can see, there's no tint on the windshield. There's a little sun strip on top, but nothing crazy. And I think the sides are 20. I'm not too sure. They're not the darkest. I don't think they're as light as 35. If I had to guess, I would say they're 20. And I am doing 30% on the windshield right now. So a little bit darker than 35, but not as dark as like a 15. So I think this will be good, where it doesn't look too crazy dark at night, but it'll give it a good balance where it looks dark in the daytime. So let's go see how this turns out. And I do want to let you guys know it is a ceramic film, so it should help with like the UV rays and like keeping the temperatures down on the inside. And the spot that we're at is called Tint King in West Palm Beach. And we're also getting another car tinted today. We're getting my mom's 2023 Porsche Boxster tinted as well. That one we're going a little bit light on. We're doing 30% all around and 50 on the windshield. If you guys want to see the process of that, go ahead and check out my TikTok. I'll leave it in the link for you guys. But yeah, we're gonna hang out until the cars are done getting tinted.
Whoa, she drive the bands off after me. I got the bands dog, all on me. There ain't no deal dog, you feel offer me. She drive the bands off after me. 100 bands, dog, all on me. There ain't no deal, dog, you feel offer me.
So we got both cars tinted. The Mercedes, they measured the tint for me. It was 15% all around. So I put 30% on the windshield. And then the Boxster is 50% on the windshield and 30% all around.
I'm so cool, I got blue strips all on me. Okay, cool. First she stack it up, then bring the racks to me. Okay, boo, red bottoms under my feet. Okay, boo, just keep your cool.
So I wanted to show you guys what the tints look like while driving. That's 30% on the windshield, and that's 15 on the sides. Let me steer with my knee for a little bit in the middle of the window, and that's outside view. So that's like a mix of all three. And it's like 5 p.m. right now in Miami. So that's like the time of the day it is. I'll come back outside and do this again at night for you guys. But this is what it's looking like right now inside the cabin. So it's 2 a.m. the same night that I got the car tinted. And this is what the tints look like with parking garage lighting in my parking lot. So as you guys can see, it's noticeably dark, but if you really like look in there, you kind of can see the seats a little bit. And I think that's because the Mercedes has a full panoramic roof. So it's obviously not going to be the darkest, or like how dark it would look on a car with no sunroof. But I think it's pretty much dark enough. Let me show you guys the sides. So that's what the car looks like side profile. And this is what it looks like from the rear, pause. But you could see the steering wheel a little bit through the 15%. But I wanted a little bit more visibility on this car. I have 5% on my X5. And the visibility is not the worst thing in the world at night. But I wanted something a little bit more usable on this car. Excuse that ugly ass steering wheel because it's getting swapped out literally later. Within the next 2 weeks when it gets delivered. But look how nice this interior is looking. I leather conditioned the entire interior, and it literally like makes it feel brand new. I'm not sure if the camera's gonna pick it up, but definitely looks brand new in here. Also, one other thing that I did that I didn't show you guys is I got a brand new set of AMG floor mats all around. So as you guys can see, it has the AMG logo, passenger, and on the other passenger side has the same AMG logo as well. Also, have any of you guys ever bought like one of these little scent diffuser things for your car? Like, is it just me, or do I feel like this thing has no smell at all? But let me give you guys a little cold start action. Oh, and another thing is, I got an active brake light now, and the turn signal. My bad, you guys. For some reason, when the Bluetooth connects in this car, it stops recording on the camera. But the other day, the turn signal on the mirror went out. Like, when I put the turn signal on this side, it like hyper blinks. And I got a couple other errors. So, I'll make a separate video and really get into like what happened. But yeah, Mercedes is a little bit broken. So this is an interior view right now. This is 30% with the parking garage lighting. That's 15%. And then let me lower this for you guys. So put it up a little bit more. That's outside, 15, 30. So now I'm just gonna let the car warm up for a little bit. When the temperatures get up, we'll go for like a little cruise around the block, and I'll let you guys know. So remember in like one of the last clips I told you guys this didn't have any smell? Well, I guess I'm not the smartest, because I just twisted off the top and it has a little cover on it. I'm not sure if the cover is supposed to make it diffuse or not. I doubt it would, because it's like completely covering this thing. So I'm gonna remove it and maybe I'll actually start to smell something. So I guess it turns out I'm just a dumbass, because I took off the cap from that thing and now I actually smell it. I had it in the car for like 3 or 4 days, and I was wondering like, yo, why doesn't this thing have any smell at all? Turns out I had to remove the fucking cap from the little inside thing, and now I can smell it. So I just started driving, and this is what the tints look like on a pretty dark road. There's a couple road lights or street lights, whatever you guys want to call it, but nothing too crazy. That's 30%. That's 15, and then let me lower the window. So that's no tint with the window down. That's 15, and that's 30% on the windshield. So right now we're on a more well-lit section of road. That's what the 30% is looking like. Keep in mind my car has the adaptive LED headlights, so it's a little bit brighter when I'm looking at stuff on the road. And that's what 15 looks like as we come to a stop. Oh nope, the light just changed, so I guess we could keep it pushing. But let me put the window down. So 15, no tint, 30. So yeah, it's really not that bad to see out of. I'm going to pull up to like a well-lit city area in Miami right now, and get out the car to give you guys a better view of the outside. But after that, I'll also look for a darker road if I can find one. Look, this is the pier or the marina at night. But I'm gonna look for a more dark area as well, so I can give you guys that POV, just so if you guys want to do this to your car, even if it's not C63 or even a Mercedes, you guys could get the idea of what tints you guys want. So if you guys are from South Florida, we're in Surfside right now. So sorry about all of the glare, because there's a lot of lights even though it's dark outside right now. But that's what the windshield looks like, and if we can get past this Christmas tree, that's what the side looks like. Look at how the stars is hitting right now, you guys. Holy fuck. That 32 watt is nothing to play with. So I moved to the other side of the road to give you guys a better look, but that's what the tints look like at night in a very, very well lit area.